Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be presenting the ultimate selection of off-road accessories that are essential for your truck. If you're a passionate truck enthusiast seeking to enhance your vehicle's capabilities, you've come to the right place. Without further ado, let's begin our countdown. Starting off at number 10, tire steps for pickup truck, SUVs, and RVs. If you have got a big truck that makes taking care of the engine almost impossible. If yes, well, this universal tire step is the best thing for you. It fits any tire from 9 to 12 inches and is designed for use with most trucks, SUVs, and RVs. Another great thing about this step is it offers supreme support with a slip-resistant step pad, black powder coat finish, and a 300-pound load capacity. Plus, this step is adjustable and foldable. It can be adjusted into 3 positions for different heights and 4 for different width. The foldable element makes it easy to transport and you can use it anywhere that you need. Number 9. Let's face it, trucks are pretty big things, and anyone who hasn't owned one will find it hard to reverse these big boys. Well, this backup camera view monitor kit is the thing for you. A 4-pin cable with a power cord connector is used to connect the reverse camera and monitor immediately. You can even power it through the reverse lights for use when the truck is in reverse. Alternatively, it can be continuously powered by being connected directly to a 12-volt source fuse box, cigarette lighter, power outlet, or ignition switch. The best thing about this is that it's waterproof, so you won't have to worry about water getting into the camera. You can also set the camera according to your needs, and if you don't need it, then it can even be switched off. Number 8. Napier Backroads Truck Tent. Ever wanted to go camping with your truck? If yes, the Napier Backroads Tent Truck is the perfect product for you. It's made of a mesh material and comes with 2 mesh windows which offer ample ventilation. A full-fledged rain fly provides you the best cover from the elements. Plus, there are additional storm flaps covering the windows and doors. Also, it is pretty easy to set up and can be easily adjusted on the back of your truck. Number 7. Autovent Shade ABS Hood Shield Bug Flector. The main purpose of bug shields is to divert insects and other debris from your hood and windshield. In all honesty, this is a need if you frequently drive at night. These days, vent visors and bug shields are available in a wide range of designs, including matte, black, and colors that match your paint job. This one comes in a smoky shade. These affordable aftermarket components are a fantastic entry point for truck or Jeep customization. Additionally, they enhance the appearance of your car and protect the interior and paint. Number 6. Heavy-duty bed mat black. Ever had a problem with your stuff moving or sliding all over the place in your truck? Well, this mat is going to make that problem go away. It fits a Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra, but won't fit on trucks that have optional Carbon Pro composite beds. The DuraGrip HD anti-skid surface grips onto your cargo and keeps it from shifting around. Oh, and the best thing is that it won't allow moisture or water to gather on the back of your truck. As the air dry nibs slightly elevate the mat, allowing air to pass through and dry the moisture out. Number 5. Gator ETX Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. The Gator SFX Tonneau Cover's blend of heavy-duty vinyl foam, rubber weather seals, and lightweight aluminum construction shields your truck bed and cargo from rain, snow, and other elements. Plus, it has easy-to-use quick latch handles that are used to open and close the tonneau cover. Plus, there are safety straps that allow you to drive the truck with the COVID open. You won't have to fear it flying away behind you. Oh, and it has aluminum bows that span the width of the tonneau cover, which prevent it from sagging from rain, snow, and hail. Number 4. The Bidrug Bed Mat. You need one ASAP. Without a bed liner, every item of equipment you transport, every downpour, and each and every time you drive your vehicle is probably doing damage to the bed. Bidrug is a fantastic brand in this regard. We adore Bidrug's Impact and XLT mats because they are gentle on your knees and incredibly durable. If you've ever had to crawl around in your truck bed to get something out of your toolbox or help someone relocate, you know how miserable it is to be on your knees. Your knees will be saved and your truck bed will be safeguarded by a good liner with a mat or bed rug. Number 3. Undercover Swing Case Truck Bed Storage Box. Ever find it difficult to keep all your tools in one place on your truck? Well, this undercover swing case is going to make things easier for you. The undercover swing case works with almost all to no covers, including soft, hard folding and rolling ones, and maintains a 3-inch clearance from the vehicle bed. This toolbox swings back into a locking position over the wheel well for optimal access to the bed, and swings out almost 180 degrees towards you for simple access from the tailgate. The swing case can accommodate up to 75 pounds of cargo and includes a key-lockable cover. It has an organized tray and a moisture seal to help keep the contents dry and weather-resistant. Finally, it's pretty easy to install. Number 2. Tire chain emergency strap-on. If you intend to go to a place where it's snowing, then the tire chain is definitely going to come in handy. It fits tire sizes to 15, but we've warned that it is only supposed to be used for short distances, for example, a parking lot or a driveway, and does not exceed a maximum speed of around 5 miles per hour plus. One more thing before you attach this: always check the disc brake clearance. Number 1. The Aries 2116,000 Advanced Edge Black Aluminum Truck Full Bar. Instead of opting for a haphazard aftermarket appearance, take your truck to the next level by giving it an aggressive and cutting-edge makeover with its amazing design, corrosion-resistant build, and hassle-free no-drill installation. The Aries Advantage TM Bull Bar revolutionizes the aftermarket truck accessory industry when compared to comparable bull bars. The Advantage TM stands out due to its octagonal tube shape and angular design. An obvious aftermarket touch, the octagonal tubing sets the tone for something truly aggressive while also matching the style of modern pickups. The sharp angles are also intended to complement the smooth surfaces of today's most pop truck body types. The Bull Bar is not only aesthetically distinct, but also offers an excellent build quality that ensures its rigidity and long-term weather resistance. Aluminized steel is used in the construction of Advantage TM bull bars. Octagonal extruded aluminum tubing is welded together to create a robust frame structure. By being made of aluminum, the bull bar is able to provide exceptional strength without adding unnecessary weight to the vehicle and is also highly resistant to corrosion. The bull bar is coated in a tough powder coat finish to protect it from corrosion and provide additional protection for personalization. In addition to protecting the aluminum from the environment, the powder coat comes in either chrome or carbide black. So this is all the time we had today, folks. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and do hit the bell icon on your way out. See you all next time.